Hello students, welcome you all to this English class. Today we are going to start a very interesting chapter from your book Vistas. The name of the chapter is Should Wizard Hit Mummy by John Updike, and this is Module 1. John Updike was born in 1932 and died in 2009, and he was from USA. He was an American novelist, poet, short story writer, art critic and literary critic. One of only 3 writers to win the Pulitzer Prize for fiction more than once. Updike published more than 20 novels, more than a dozen short story collections, as well as poetry, art, literary criticism, and children's books during his career. In this story, Jack was a father who used to tell stories to her little girl Jo, who was 4 years old, and she used to listen the stories from her father when she was 2 years old, and this continued for 2 years now, and now she was 4 years old. Jack is the protagonist of the story who would tell his daughter Jo a story on Saturdays and afternoons. These stories used to be created instantly in his head, means out of his imagination. In these stories, there would be an animal named Roger who would have some problem. And then he would go first to an old owl and then to a wizard to solve his problem, and wizard would demand extra money for solving his problem and would also direct Roger to find that money to solve the problem. Then Jack used to describe the evening meal or supper which they used to have in the evenings. Now Jack felt that these storytelling sessions have become tiresome. Now Jack started to tell the story of Roger Skunk, who smelled so bad that the other animals made fun of him and refused to play with him. They would say, "Oof, oh, here comes Roger's stinky skunk." Jack wanted that his daughter should be aware of the realities of the world. Now Jack told that Roger Skunk went first to the owl and then to the wizard. The wizard changed Roger's smell to that of roses. Now Jo raised a question. Are magic spells real? And Jack answered that spells were real only in stories. Now Jack heard that his pregnant wife Claire was shifting furniture downstairs, and he was not happy with her doing heavy work as she was pregnant. As he reached the end of the story, Jack noticed that Jo had started creating problem. He didn't like it when women didn't take anything seriously. Now Jack told Jo that when Roger Skunk reached his home, his mother got unhappy, that he was not having his real smell and he was smelling like roses. Now Jo got disturbed as she thought that other animals would not play with Roger now again. Jo tried to object, but Jack told that Skunk's mother went with him to the wizard's home and forced him to change the smell. Joe insisted again and again to change the ending of the story, but Jack didn't change. Now, the skunk family took dinner together, and Skunk's mother hugged him and loved him a lot. But Joe was not happy with the new ending of the story, and she emphatically defended the mother skunk, almost as if it was her mistake. Joe then asked Jack to tell her the same story on the next day but with a different ending. When Jack finally went downstairs, he saw his wife doing hard work. He became upset to see that, and he realized that his wife was in the cage with him too, but he just wanted to stay away from her because he felt embarrassed and guilty for not helping his wife in painting the furniture. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.